everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this really cool popsicle sticks decoration. Without further ado, let's begin. For this DIY, the only materials you'll need are a paintbrush, a cup of water to clean the paintbrush, a mini glass jar, some popsicle sticks, and some acrylic paint. You can use any color. I'll be using neon paint. Before we begin, please make sure that you have like a sheet of paper or something to cover your workspace. That way you don't get anything dirty. This DIY is a little straightforward. You're basically going to be painting popsicle sticks and letting them dry and putting them into this jar. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your popsicle stick. You're going to grab one popsicle stick and you're going to paint one side. Once you have done that, set it to the side to dry. And then grab another one and paint it using the same color. You want to work with one color at a time. Once the side you painted on is dry, flip it over and start painting the other side. Afterwards, you're going to let these dry. You're going to let the ones you painted on dry, and you're going to work on a different color. First, clean your brush with a cup of water and begin painting another set of popsicle sticks with a different color. Once you are done painting your popsicle sticks, whatever color or design that you picked for them, you can go ahead and get your mini glass jar and put your popsicle sticks in there. Organize them however you'd like. And that is basically it. And so I decided to put it in the shelf above my bed, right where my other stuff is. And you might notice this is a DIY that I made in November of 2020. It's a pretty cool project. You should go check out that video. And here's a mini terracotta pot. I will be doing a video with this mini terracotta pot. I just haven't decided what exactly I'll do, but stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how to make this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to leave a like, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!